Good afternoon, welcome to ILS English. My name is Anna Merricks and this is my very famous school here in Nottingham. I've been in this business for 25 years and I think we run a very happy, international and successful language school. We would love to welcome some students here from Kazakhstan to experience life in our city, which is famous for Robin Hood, Lord Byron and the famous fashion designer Paul Smith. If you come here, I think you will enjoy both the accommodation, the classroom activities and the city of Nottingham.
Hello students and subscribers of English House, my name is Tal Millard. I am the Director of Studies and I'm a teacher at ILS English School in Nottingham. We would love to welcome you here in Nottingham to our international school with teachers who have experience from all over the world. Please come and join our international classes.
Welcome to Nottingham. My name is Julie. I'm the Accommodation Officer for ILS English. I will be responsible for organising your stay in Nottingham if you decide to choose a host family or student self-catering. You will experience the whole English experience. It's a great way to find out how life in the UK really is. By staying with a host family as well, you'll find out the day-to-day routine, the way of life, the culture and our sense of humour. Most host families do work but will always be at home for when you arrive back from the city centre or from your lessons. You will have dinner, evening meal with the family, you will chat about your day, they will ask you about how you are at school.
Welcome to the UK and welcome to the subscribers and students of English House. My name is Carl Wilson, I'm a teacher here at ILS and I look forward to welcoming you to Nottingham.
We work with English House School in Kazakhstan who are our representatives, and we accept students of all ages, of all backgrounds to come and join us in our English language training.
So goodbye from ILS English, and please don't forget, if you want to book your course here in Nottingham and your homestay accommodation, please don't forget to contact English House as soon as possible. Bye!
Take a look around me, taking pages from a magazine. Been looking for the answers ever since we were 17. You know the truth can be a weapon to fight this world of ill intentions. A new answer to the same question: how many times will you learn the same lesson? I think they got it all wrong. We just gotta hold on and on and on and on. 'Cause we're gonna be legends, gonna get their attention. What we're doing here ain't just scary, it's about to be legendary. Yeah, we're gonna be legends, gonna teach them all a lesson. Got this feeling in our souls we carry, that it's about to be legendary.
Достар, жаңа жаттығу күні 50 минут көлемінде болды. Бәрі де ойдағыдай ет жеуге дайынмын.
'Cause we're gonna be legends, gonna get their attention. What we're doing here ain't just scary, it's about to be legendary.